Hi everybody, Brian here. I'm going to show you how to get your goodie file package based on your asset class that you'd be interested in. I have talked about in this top video here in the dashboard the different three sections of automated or systematic set of files analysis. So what I'm speaking about is cryptocurrency analysis generated systematically. This one as well. CFD analysis tables and charts systematically generated. And this last one, this asset class, the forex analysis table and charts systematically generated. So every single one of those asset classes has a similar profile on how to get the goodie package file that I'm showing, which will walk you through all these other subsequent videos. So what you do really is when you come into this section based upon your forex, crypto, or CFD, all you gotta do is just type in your name, your valid email address, click download. What it will do is it will send you out an email of this format with the title of your free download link, or whatever your name is that you put in, and below here's the link. Click that and it'll download, or should be able to download, your zip file. And you have a zip file of, let's say, 8 megs, and then you can open it up with a zip program or an archiver and be able to take a look at all the files that I describe here in each of the asset classes. So again, what I'm referring to here in the dashboard is you can get your crypto analysis systematically generated to get the goodie files. You can also do the same thing for your CFD here. And then that will give you the same option, name, email. Like I said, everything's the same. And then you have the same for the forex analysis as well for systematic generated files. That's pretty well it to grab the package files that I explain in these tutorial videos found here in this blog post, Quant Analytics tutorial videos of 3 asset classes. And again, those asset classes are cryptocurrency, forex, and CFD. Hopefully I'll help you out later.